It's creaking.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ooh. I don't want to do that. Ooh. Dad.
Whoa, the tree guy got stuck! Don't kill yourself. The tree guy's stuck in midair, Mommy. See, but it's tied around to the poplar.
Good thing.
And how is he going to fix that?
I think he must be part acrobat.
Me too, or part cat, 'cause he jumps.
Yeah. Or part monkey, because he can swing through the trees.
Yeah.
Oh, monkey.
Wow.
Wow. That was amazing.
Yeah.
They can basically just tackle the whole tree now. Well, maybe 3 more cuts, then it will be gone.
Look at that huge.
No more trees leaning over our shed. We've had enough of it. It's funny because his name up there is Andrew.